What's up guys, James here with How To YouTube, and this is your crash course on how to actually start a YouTube channel. Everything you're going to need to know summarized into a short little video, and if you have any other video ideas or suggestions for me, leave it in the comment section down below because that is actually where this video came from. So thank you to whoever left that comment, and I will put your name right here. Let's get into it. Now, this crash course is going to cover 4 major things that I think, personally, are essential for starting any YouTube channel, and the first of which is actually picking a channel topic. Now, I would recommend that you don't overthink it, but if you do want to overthink it because you're like me, I have an entire video linked down in the description specifically on how to decide what your channel's actually going to be about. So pause this video, go down to the description, right click or hold click on that link, and click open in a new tab. That way you can watch it right when you're done with watching this video. Now that you're back to the video, let's continue. The second thing you're going to need to do is gather some equipment to actually make your videos. Now, a lot of people on YouTube will tell you that all you need is a phone and you can make great YouTube videos, but I disagree heavily. I think, at the very least, you need this first thing, and that is a microphone. Nobody wants to listen to a YouTube video that has absolutely terrible audio quality. You can have the worst video quality in the entire world, and as long as your audio is pretty good, people will watch your videos. But if you have bad audio, it's going to be miserable to watch your videos. So go on to Amazon. I have a link down in the description. Buy a cheap $15 to $20, they call them lavalier or lapel microphones. They're these little tiny microphones that clip onto your shirt, and they provide outstanding audio quality. I'm actually considering getting one instead of using the big microphone that I'm using for this video, because I think a $20 lavalier microphone might actually be better than the $130 microphone sitting in front of me. So go buy one of those. The next thing you're going to need, obviously, is something to take videos with, and any phone or camera will do. Honestly, the video quality isn't the end of the world. Obviously, as you get more into it, maybe you'll upgrade it to a nicer camera like the one that I'm using, or, you know, phones these days shoot beautiful video, so I'm sure you can make do with that. Now, the next thing that you're going to need in order to do it is a tripod. Now you're thinking, oh man, I don't want to spend all this money. Well, you can get a tripod on Amazon for literally $6. Anybody can afford $6 to start a YouTube channel, so go down there and buy yourself a tripod. Even if you're just using your phone to shoot videos, it will make your life 10,000 times easier. In the description, I'll have the tripod that I use, which at the time that I bought it was like $8, and it comes with a little tiny Bluetooth clicker that you can use to connect to your phone or camera, and it'll actually start the video from a distance. So that way you can set it up, go sit down, click start, and your video is going to start recording. Makes your life a lot easier, and it's well worth the $5 to $8 that you're going to spend on it. Now, the next thing you're going to need, unless you are a video shooting god, is some sort of an editing software. Now, don't freak out. There are plenty of free softwares out there, and I would highly recommend you utilize them. So, there's a software called DaVinci Resolve. It's actually a completely free editing software that's kind of the trial version of their pro version, but it is highly reviewed and recommended by my cousin Aaron, who is actually a professional filmmaker. I personally have not used it because I made the mistake of paying for a nice software earlier in the year, but that's okay. And if you want to check out the software that I use to edit my videos, it's actually really cheap. I paid $40 for a year's membership, or you can actually pay $60 for an entire lifetime supply of using their software. It's called Filmora. I'll have it linked down in the description as well if you'd like to check it out. I'm a big fan of it because it's really simple to use. Now, what if you're thinking, all right, well, I don't have a computer, so I can't edit videos. Well, you can. There are actually a ton of apps that you can use on your phone to do basic video editing. So I'll leave a video down below that actually summarizes how to do that. I don't have a video on it yet, but I will soon, so subscribe for more. Now, the third essential thing that I think is essential for starting any YouTube channel that nobody seems to talk about is you need to stockpile a few videos. I made the mistake of not doing this, and I regret it every single day. You see, when I started my first YouTube channel, it's called Fun Fact of the Day, link down below if you want to check it out. I basically set a goal to make one video every single day, and I didn't realize how long these videos would take to make. So I released like 3 videos on the first day, so it would look like I had a bunch of videos, and then from then on, I had 1 video a day. But that meant that literally, because it would take me a whole day to make those videos, I couldn't do anything else. I could never take a day off, nothing. And so, on top of that, once the videos started getting a little bit longer and, took more time to make, I couldn't release videos every day. And so my upload schedule went to the trash, and if I had had a few backup videos, I could at least use them to keep a consistent upload schedule. So the goal of stockpiling a few extra videos is to do 2 things. Number 1, it is to allow you to keep a consistent upload schedule. If you are, making a video and your plan is to upload every Thursday at 4 p.m., and it ends up taking too long to finish that video because you had some sort of complication or whatever, then you're going to screw up your upload schedule. But if you had a few backups in the bag ready to go, you could just upload one of those and you'd be just fine. And then the second thing that it does is if you're doing a very, very consistent upload schedule, or if you're spending all your, nights and weekends making videos and working all week, it can give you kind of like a vacation pass, which, trust me, you're going to want at some point. So, again, stockpile videos before you start. Now, the next thing is the most important thing and the 4th thing on this list, and I'm sure you've heard it in every other how to start a YouTube channel video that you've watched, and that is you need to actually start uploading videos. Now, I've heard every big YouTube channel talk about this, but none of them ever talked about why you actually need to start uploading videos. So, before you click off, let me tell you exactly what the real deal as to why you actually need to start uploading videos is. The first thing is that it forces you to learn how to make videos much faster than if you were just practicing on your own, because the second you click upload, now you have an audience. You probably got a bunch of your friends and family on Facebook and Instagram to go and subscribe to your page. You might even have some regular viewers, things like that. And now the pressure is on. You're gonna have to learn how to make better videos. I remember when I first started, every single video I uploaded, I would look back the next day and think, oh my gosh, the lighting is terrible, the sound quality is terrible, my presentation was terrible, I have no idea what the heck I'm doing, why am I even doing this? And I learned very quickly how to improve each and every one of those things, and I'm still learning right now how to improve each and every one of those things. So unless you start uploading, you will never learn to improve. And that, my friends, is the main reason why you actually need to start uploading. The second main reason why you actually need to start uploading is because it will add a sense of urgency to your upload consistency. Now, if you're just making videos for practice, it's probably a lax thing that you do in your free time. But the second you start uploading, you have people expecting to see regular videos from you. And so you are going to take the time to make regular videos, no matter what it takes. And that is something that's often overlooked, but very essential if you want to be consistent on YouTube. So, quick recap. The first thing you need to do is pick a channel. If you want to learn how to do that, click the video down below. The second thing you need to do is get some gear. The basic gear that you need is a $20 microphone from Amazon, a phone or a camera or some sort of way of recording video, a tripod, and some sort of an editing software either on your computer or on your phone. The next thing you need to do is stockpile a few videos. Not only will this give you a little bit of practice, but it will take the edge off of uploading on a regular schedule and make your life a million, jillion, billion times easier, and I really wish that I had done that. Anyway, and then the fourth thing you need to do is actually start uploading videos because it will force you to learn. Now, I'm going to make expanded videos on every single one of these topics, especially the gear. So if you want to see those, subscribe and leave your comments down below for video ideas that you'd like me to make specifically for you. And if you like this channel, basically the difference between my channel and all the other, how-to YouTube channels out there, because I recognize there are a million of them, is that I am learning how to do all of this with you. I literally started my first channel a couple months ago, and it's not doing that well yet. It's growing, obviously, but I have like 1,200 subscribers at the time of making this video. So I am going through all of the same little tiny things that you are going through, and therefore everything is fresh in my mind. I'm not going to miss all of the tiny little things that all the big YouTubers seem to have forgotten about. So if you want to subscribe to somebody really relatable to you, click the subscribe button down below. Leave your videos and stuff down in the comments section because I'd like this to be a community where we can all grow together. I'd love to check them out, see what you're up to. And thank you very much. That's pretty much it. Click the video link right here. I will have a whole playlist full of other videos. If you made it this far, chances are you want to learn more about how to make YouTube videos, so definitely click on that link. Click the like button because, YouTube creators, we need that. And I will see you soon.